Aloha, this is Michael Kitchen here. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use the Hope Tracker and the Uevolv app. First, you're going to want to download these two apps to your device. Right now, I'll log into the Hope Tracker app. There you are. So once you've logged in, you'll see my impact, which is how many servings have been generated to malnourished kids based on just the products that you're consuming for you and your family. My ripple, that's your team or teams of teams that you've built and developed, and that's how many servings have been generated based on their consumption. The Hope movement, that is all the servings that have been generated by the whole Hope movement. These date back to February 27, 2016, when they launched the Buy One, Nourish Two program. So we're going to go ahead and look on the bottom where it says Give, Share, Evolve. We'll click on the Give button. There's 3 videos in here at the moment. They're short, a few minutes long each. The Reboot is a funny video about the Reboot kit. It's a very great video for younger or just people that have a good sense of humor that you think we'd get a kick out of it. It's got a lot of really great information in it. The middle video is Change Your Life video. It's a 3-minute video. I'd say watch all these videos and see how you feel and what you like and don't like about each one, and just decide which one you're going to use for each person that you meet. This one, Change Your Life, Change the World, talks about our mission of eradicating childhood malnutrition. We have here from co-founder Trey White, and he really shares his heart and his vision, and that's a great video. I'm going to click on Share. So here you have a few videos you can look through and kind of have in your back pocket in case you need to share these with certain people. The purpose, the products, the plan. Then you can click on full presentation. There's 3 videos in here. They're all incredible. Danielle Morgan and Ryan Chamberlain do an excellent job presenting. And then there's the full-length story video, 24-minute, incredible video. That's the video that I show at the Hope parties that I've been putting on. And also, that's the video that when I watched every video and talked to mentors, I kind of narrowed it down that if I was just going to send one video, this would be the one. But you go through these yourself and decide which one resonates with you. So when you click on products and testimonies, a bunch of videos with Dr. Eric, and I think his last name is pronounced Reese, and they're all really good. Okay, so you can watch those and share them when you feel they're applicable. We've got a testimonial reel, really powerful. My good friend Sam Castor, he's in Mexico here, talking about the immune product and that next generation aloe technology, which is awesome. I share that video a lot too. Some more videos here. You can go through each one, Limitless, a Reboot video. I'm going to click on Documents up on the top right, and you'll see some fact sheets. These are great for people that say they want to kind of read through some of the material. You can click like on the Reboot, you can click on this button right here on the right. Looks like 3 circles connected by 2 lines. Like an alligator mouth or something. I'm going to click on that. You can message this to, or you can send it in a message or email. And all of those videos that we were just looking at, they have that same button too. So message, mail, copy it and post it in social media. Okay? So I'm going to go to the button on the bottom right, Evolve. So GSE is short for Give, Share, Evolve. And this is your tracker, so you can click Record Your GSE. Put the person's first name, last name, email, and cell phone, I like, because you can text them, and then a note about the person. And click Save Contact. So when you click on My Prior GSEs, you'll see all the people that you've shared this information with. And then you can see GSE stats for your team, for the current commission week, current month, and the whole company. Top 10 for the current week and current month. Okay, I'm going to click on Join in the top right here. Here you can enroll a new customer right from your phone or a new member. On the bottom right, that pie chart, I'll click on that. You can click on Key Stats and see your statistics like, are you active? Are you binary qualified? Are you on auto ship? How much is your auto ship? When is your auto ship? What's your volume looking like? How many new members and customers and rank advancements in your team in the last, week, 4 weeks, year to date? How many members, total members? How many of them are on auto ship? How many of them have the Uevolv Silver? How many of them have the Uevolv Gold? Your volume for the current week and for the last 4 weeks. You can check out your binary overview in your left leg and your right leg. I'll go over each one real quick. On your left leg and right leg, so you see BV, it's binary volume. On the left side, 108, right side, 959. Members, 40 on the left, 33 on the right. Active personal group, 10 on the left, 17 on the right. Total BV, it shows the left and right. Qualifying volume for the 4 weeks, shows that. You see your 6-leg report, circle of influence summaries. Okay. I'm going to click on 1, 2 free. This you'll see how you're doing on getting your free products. You can earn up to $300 worth of free products every 4 weeks. You just need at least 3 customers that are ordering at least $50 or more in products. They'll take the total that these customers are ordering, add them together and divide it by 3, and that's how much they'll minus off of your auto ship. So you can see my auto ship is going to come out on the 14th of April. It's for $299. My potential discount is $250, so it'll cost me $49. Hopefully I'll get another customer or 2 by then, and it will be free. Okay, we're going to click on this pie again on the bottom right, and circle of influence. This is really important when you're starting your first 28 days or 56 days. A circle of influence, you can see here, I've created 3. Shows the team in the last 4 weeks and the lifetime. Show who is close. These are 4 people on my team that are close. So Faye has 1 member and 2 customers, so she's only 1 member and 1 customer away from a circle of influence. Betsy, she's working on a circle here, and you can see what she needs to do. So it's really neat. Go back to COI. So you can call these people, text them, and encourage them. Okay. Excuse me. You can show downline COIs. All right. So we got Betsy here. These are the recent circle of influences. And you can see your own how you're doing on it, okay? Customers and members. Okay, so you can click on commissions and you'll show your checks and kind of keep track of that as well. So that's a quick overview of what you can do inside of this app here. It's a great app for sharing this technology with people around you. So now I'm going to show you really quick how to use the next app. And I'm just going to show you one thing on the Uevolv app. On this app here, I'm going to show you what's very important for a new person to do. So when they come in right away, you're going to have them click on the button that says Get Started. And then they're going to click on Champion Certification. And once they've clicked on that, they'll be able to do their training. So they'll sign in to get started. And these 4 chapters are incredible. It's going to teach them the basics of getting started into social business 3.0. And there you have it. So feel free to reach out to the person that got you started if you have any questions. And I hope this helped. Have an excellent day. Blessings and aloha.